Welcome to your weekend weather forecast. Overnight into Saturday morning, stormy conditions still expected over the northeastern part of the country. Then a weak cold front moving away from the country. Behind the cold front, an onshore flow of air can bring some light showers to the southern coast, part of the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal. From Saturday afternoon, we are expecting thunderstorms to redevelop over the northeastern part of the country, with scattered thunderstorms possible in parts of northwest, Limpopo and Mpumalanga. Only isolated thunderstorms for the adjacent areas, including Gauteng, with isolated thunderstorms around the escarpment area of KwaZulu-Natal, but showers for the central parts as well as the coastal areas. Isolated showers in parts of the Eastern Cape, with isolated morning showers along the southern coast and the adjacent interior. But the Weather Service warning against severe thunderstorms leading to hail, damaging winds and heavy rains over parts of Limpopo and Mpumalanga on Saturday, so please be careful in those areas. Then into Sunday, we are expecting a ridging high to bring cooler conditions and cloudy weather to the eastern part of the country. But that same ridging high will cause berg winds to quickly heat up the western part of the country. It will be extremely hot and uncomfortable, so please stay hydrated. From the afternoon, showers and thunderstorms redeveloping over the northeastern part of the country, with scattered thunderstorms for Gauteng, parts of the Free State, Mpumalanga, Limpopo and northwest. Isolated thunderstorms for the adjacent areas, with isolated showers in parts of the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal, but a dry day for the western part of the country. On Saturday, behind that weak cold front, westerly to southwesterly winds blowing strong along the coast of the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal, spreading into the low part of Mpumalanga and Limpopo. Strong southeasterly winds spreading along the western coast, including the coast of our neighbouring country Namibia, and the Weather Service warning against runway fires in parts of the Northern Cape. On Sunday, winds calming along the coast of the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal, but fresh winds now due to that ridging high over parts of Limpopo and Mpumalanga, northwest the Free State as well as the Northern Cape. And then into the afternoon, we are expecting northeasterly to easterly winds to blow fresh to strong along the southern coast, around Cape Town and along the western coast. Looking at our temperatures, on Saturday, we are expecting cooler conditions in the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal, with Pietermaritzburg reaching a high of 23, but warm to hot otherwise over the rest of the country, with Bloemfontein reaching a high of 32 and Pretoria reaching a high of 31. On Sunday, we are expecting cooler conditions over the eastern part of the country, with Johannesburg, Mpumalanga and Polokwane reaching a high of only 24, but the opposite is true in the west. It will be extremely hot and uncomfortable, with temperatures above 40 expected, 41 in the afternoon in Vredendal and Cape Town reaching a high of 32. Well, that's all from me. Enjoy your weekend.